Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key, the place where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm David. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again. I'm feeling amazing today, full of energy and ready to talk.
I can see that. You look very energetic and positive. That's actually perfect because today we're talking about something very important: healthy habits.
Oh, I like this topic already. Healthy habits sound serious, but I hope they are not too difficult.
Not at all. That's the good news. Healthy habits are not about doing something extreme like running a marathon every week. They're about small, simple choices we make every day.
That sounds much better. Small choices feel possible. So where do we start?
Let's start with the morning. Tell me, what is the very first thing you do after you wake up?
Honestly, I open my eyes and then I think about coffee.
I knew it. So you go straight to the kitchen?
Yes, I make a big hot cup of coffee. It helps me wake up. I love the smell. It makes me feel ready for the day.
Coffee is nice, but here's a small tip. Before coffee, drink a big glass of water.
Water? Before coffee?
Yes, after many hours of sleep, your body is thirsty. Drinking water in the morning is like saying good morning to your body. It wakes you up gently and helps your system start working.
I like that idea. Hello to my body. Should the water be cold or warm?
Both are fine. Some people prefer warm water, maybe even with a little lemon. Others like cold water. The important thing is to drink it.
That sounds easy. Water first, then coffee. I can do that.
Great! Now let's talk about breakfast. What do you usually eat?
I'm often in a hurry. Sometimes I just grab a piece of bread, sometimes a cookie.
A cookie for breakfast?
I know, it's not the best choice.
It gives you sugar quickly, but then your energy drops fast. You feel tired and maybe even a little sleepy after 1 or 2 hours.
Yes, that happens to me. Around 10 or 11 a.m., I feel like I need more coffee.
That's because your body needs real fuel. Try a power breakfast, something with protein and natural energy.
Like what?
Eggs, yogurt, nuts, fruit like bananas or apples. These foods give you energy that lasts longer.
I like eggs and bananas. That sounds simple. An egg and a banana, done.
Perfect. That's a strong start to the day.
Okay, so we have water and a better breakfast. What's next?
Movement. Do you go to the gym?
Not really. The gym is crowded and noisy. It feels like too much.
That's okay. You don't need a gym to be healthy. Walking is one of the best habits.
I walk to the bus stop. Does that count?
Yes, but maybe you can add a little more. For example, do you take the elevator or the stairs at work?
Elevator. Always.
Try the stairs.
That sounds like hard work.
It's just a few minutes. It's great for your heart and your legs. Small effort, big benefit.
When you say it like that, it sounds possible. Just a few minutes.
Exactly. Small steps lead to big changes.
I like that sentence. I'm going to remember it.
Good. Now let's talk about work. Many people sit for hours in front of a computer.
That's me. I sit and look at my screen almost all day. My neck and back hurt sometimes.
That's very common. Here's a simple habit. Every hour, stand up for 1 minute.
Just 1 minute?
Yes. Stand up, stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, look away from the screen. Let your eyes rest.
That's easy. I can set an alarm on my phone.
Great idea. An alarm can help you build the habit.
So far, these habits are not difficult. I'm feeling more confident already.
Good. Now let's move to lunch. What do you usually have?
A sandwich and a soda from a nearby shop.
Soda has a lot of sugar.
I know, but it tastes good.
It does, but too much sugar makes you feel tired later. You know that feeling in the afternoon when you feel slow and unmotivated?
Yes, around 3 p.m., I feel like my brain stops working.
That's the sugar crash. Try sparkling water or just cold water instead of soda.
Sparkling water has bubbles, so it still feels special.
Exactly. And try to add vegetables to your meal. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots. Make your plate colorful.
A colorful plate sounds nice. More vegetables, less sugar. Got it.
Now, what about snacks? Do you get hungry between meals?
Yes, especially in the afternoon. I usually eat chocolate or chips.
Try nuts instead. Almonds, for example, are very good, or an apple.
I like almonds, so that's a smart snack.
Yes, they are good for your brain and give you steady energy.
My brain definitely needs that.
Let's talk about the evening. What do you do before bed?
I sit on the sofa, watch TV, and scroll on my phone for a long time.
That's very common, but the light from your phone tells your brain that it's still daytime.
So that's why I sometimes cannot fall asleep.
Exactly. Try putting your phone away 1 hour before sleep.
1 hour without my phone? That sounds challenging.
You can read a book, listen to calm music, or just relax and think about your day.
I actually have a book next to my bed. I never open it.
This is your sign to start. Reading helps your mind calm down. It prepares for deep sleep.
I would love to wake up feeling fresh instead of tired.
Good sleep changes everything. When you sleep well, you have more energy, better focus, and a better mood.
That makes sense.
And here is one more habit. This one is for your mind. Every day, think of 3 things you are thankful for.
3 things? Like what?
Simple things. Maybe you're thankful for your morning coffee, the sunshine, a good conversation, or your family.
That feels positive. It makes you notice the good things.
Yes, gratitude makes your heart lighter. It helps you feel happier.
So healthy habits are not only about food and exercise, they're also about your thoughts.
Exactly. Health is for the body and the mind.
Let me see if I remember everything. In the morning, drink water before coffee, eat a stronger breakfast with protein and fruit.
Correct.
During the day, move more, take the stairs and stand up every hour.
Yes.
At lunch, choose less sugar and more vegetables.
Perfect.
For snacks, eat nuts or fruit.
Perfect.
In the evening, no phone 1 hour before bed, read instead, and think of 3 things I'm thankful for.
You remembered everything.
It's easier than I thought. None of these habits are extreme. They're small, simple changes.
That's the key. You don't have to be perfect. Maybe 80% healthy, 20% treats.
I like that balance. Life needs a little sweetness, too.
Absolutely. The goal is progress, not perfection.
I feel motivated now. I think I'll start with something small today. Maybe I'll stand up and stretch right after this.
That's a great start. Remember, one small action can begin a big transformation.
And if you're listening, think about your own habits. What is one small change you can start today?
Yes, tell us in the comments, what is one healthy habit you already have, or what is one new habit you want to try?
And please write your answer in English. It's great practice.
If you enjoyed this episode on English Learning Key, share it with a friend who is learning English.
Let's share health and share English together.
Have a wonderful, healthy, and productive day.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.